Hi guys, it's Jisoo. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be about December bullet journaling. Yes, December has already begun and now it's 2nd of December, so I decided to upload a video about my December bullet journal. As you guys can see right now, I am drawing a deer or some kind of a deer shape. And inside that deer, I'm drawing a house because I decided to make this December bullet journal theme as winter plus Christmas. So I thought it would be a good idea to put a house covered with snow inside a shape of a deer. I've done this in watercolor, and after coloring all of the parts that I've drawn, and I decided to draw the outlines of the house and some lights, and I just decorated this painting with my gold pen, and I wrote down December dream next to the deer. So because this paper was kind of thick to stick to my bullet journal, I scanned this painting and stick this for the cover page. And also along with this, I printed out some Christmas related photos from, I think it was from Pixabay, and I used them to decorate my cover page as well, and I used my goldish washi tape to decorate the cover page. I drew some outlines of the photos to make this look more stand out and kind of stunning. And then after finishing my cover page, I moved on to my monthly spread. No, not my monthly spread, but before that, I decided to add a quote. So I wrote, "Be love, be light," which is the kind of the saying that I found from the internet, and I thought the saying would fit very well with December somehow and the December dream, so I put it before the monthly spread. And then I moved on to my monthly spread, and I wrote down December, and I just drew my monthly spread using my same pen with, I think it was 5x6 grid. And because I was thinking the theme as Christmas and winter, I decided to make my monthly spread look more like Christmas, so I colored the top part of each of the grid using pinkish pen and outlined the grids to make it more stand out and make it look like a 3D shape, and I used a green pen for this. And I decorated the header of the monthly spread, and along the grid, next to the grid, I drew a square which said growth, and I was basically going to use this for my probably actual growth and also for the YouTube growth as well, so I can focus more on my YouTube channel as well. Then I moved on to my mood tracker. For this mood tracker, I decided to draw a Christmas tree and draw 31 ornaments on the Christmas tree, so I can color them in for my mood for each of the days. And then next to the mood tracker, I decided to put a habit tracker. Because in November, I wasn't really using my habit tracker much. For this month, I was kind of determined to use my habit tracker, so I decided to continue with habit tracker and not just giving up. So for this habit tracker, I decided to draw the circular shape ornaments that we use for a Christmas tree, and that will represent each of the habits. And I decided to continue with the November habits, so I'm constantly checking my November spread to check which habit was it, because I almost forgot about those habits because I wasn't using the tracker much. And I also decorated with a Christmas vibe ornaments, and after finishing my habit tracker, I moved on to my weekly spread. So for this, you can see me drawing some candy canes, candy canes that we have for Christmas, and I was drawing these to decorate my weekly spread, and this was the part where I was going to write the week number. And then I decided to make this spread contain more of Christmas, so I decorated with lots of Christmas themed things, and this is my flip through of my December bullet journal. So as you guys can see, this is the quote that I've added, and this is my monthly spread, then my mood tracker and my habit tracker, and finally to my finished weekly spread. I'm really happy that the weekly spread had turned out better than I have expected, so I'm really satisfied with December spread, and I'm really eager to use all of those very productively, so I can spend my December very productively. So if you enjoyed this video, please press likes and subscribe to my channel, and bye!